Hello everyone, the world is healing. It's carnival once again in Jamaica. Last year we did have carnival, but it wasn't the real thing. So we're back on the road with Exodus. I just picked up my package and let's get into what's in the bag and I'll give you the rundown of what's the itinerary for this week. Okay, we're on the floor, have some Easter bun and cheese in tow, and we're just gonna dive straight into this because you know I will sit here and bust ears. So this year for Exodus, I did not get a costume. I played in mass in a costume in 2019, and last year what I did is I got a t-shirt and then I actually wore my own Monday wear, and that's what I did this year because I was not planning to play carnival. I did Trinidad carnival earlier this year and boom, last minute it kind of fell into my lap. So I have ordered a Jamaican designer's Monday wear. I'm supposed to try it on tomorrow. I actually was in contact with her from last week, so the fact that she was able to do it under such short notice was amazing. But yeah, I'm going to be doing it this year. So what you're seeing is a t-shirt package. So distribution actually started today, and I was looking at the schedule and it seemed like a lot of costumes that weren't sold out. So I was like, okay, let me just go today, rip the band-aid off, not have to hopefully wait in a lot of lines. And it was so smooth. I mean, we were there for 30 minutes, which in my book is a win. I actually took a peek inside the car of what was in it and I'm very impressed by everything. I will say last year the bag wasn't this full, but they've come back proper for their post-COVID carnival, so kudos to them. So first things first is the t-shirt. I literally ordered my t-shirt on Saturday. Today's Tuesday and there is very limited sizing, so I really just got this size shorts for my boyfriend in case he wanted some variation, and then I got a small, extra small t-shirt so I could wear it to the gym or just around the house. And it came with a cap as well, but I didn't want it, so I told them to keep it because I just didn't want to be wasteful. So we have some snacks in here, some Doritos, plantain chips and popcorners, bouge, some ginger tea, some water and Lucozade, some Lucozade glasses. I don't know if I'll be using these. I'll probably give them to someone else. Okay, then we have a Jamdex rag, a Campari fanny pack. Then you have the little armband things for the guys. By far my favorite thing in the bag, however, is an automated fan. Oh my god, they're in their bag for this. This is a win. Everybody take notes. Next we have a little deodorant. And then, oh, we have a beautiful mug. This is the kind of mug that nobody's gonna get their hands on. A lot of people love to come to my house before a cooler fight and be like, oh my god, I don't have a mug. Can I borrow a mug? Nobody's allowed to use this. Nobody. Why am I smelling it? Jesus Christ. And then I think this is the last of it. I have a little like pop socket and then one of the wallet holders for the back of the phone. Yeah, and then there's just some flyers in the bag and 2 condoms, but I don't think that's necessary to show you. I think you guys can picture what that looks like. And yeah, that's it. That's the bag. Well, so I'm very impressed by everything in here and I think a lot of it will get usage. So kudos to Exodus, you guys came through. But what's the agenda for this week? I have gone to 2 carnival parties so far. I kind of went into this carnival season saying I want to do smaller parties, cheaper parties, give them a chance. So that's what I've been doing. I went to Rude Carnival at the end of March, which was really good. It was drinks inclusive, 5 grand. And then last week I went to Soca Camp, which was amazing. It was at Hope Gardens. It was a small fete, but it was top tier. The music was amazing. I feel like I haven't been hearing a lot of new music. People are always very skeptical and it takes a bit of a while to let it set in for Jamaicans. But they were drilling the new music in people's heads and I feel like that crowd was a big Soca lovers crowd. So I had a lot of fun. Tomorrow I have Kooler Babe, which is a party put on by the same people who do Babe Brunch, and it has Private Ryan as like the main headliner, so that will be fun. Thursday, not sure yet. There's Exodus tailgate happening and then there's Touchdown happening at Django's. Nothing for Friday so far. I think I need a little bit of breather. And then funnily enough, what happened this year is everyone is putting the parties for Saturday, which I feel like has never happened in the past. People kind of just respect it as like a rest day after Juve. But I'm going to Strut, which is a boat cruise that I went to in Trinidad and was amazing, and it's the first time they're having it in Jamaica, so I'm really excited. And then Carnival, yeah. Fast forward to what day of the week? Wednesday. Getting ready for Kooler Babe very quickly. I think it's just a girls' night tonight, so it's gonna be very fun. Yeah, this morning I went for my underwear to try it on. It fit great. Just a few adjustments have to be made just to the back and to add a few strings here and there. I'm really excited. The color looks really nice. I'm really happy, really happy. Yeah, let me just get ready quick. Literally just putting on blush and like mascara and probably like foundation and contour and like eyebrows. Anyways,
5 minutes later.
okay, that's pretty much it.
Everybody and them well. Show them, show them, show them the money. Make some noise, whatever you love, this thing they jump up. Got an hard time to jump up. Rock in the sky and jump up. Split them up high and jump up. Somebody, come here, girl. Put your rock in the air, rock in the air. This thing gonna be turned on like a pants. Think of me outside, man, and if you can't touch me, cause it's trouble. Just what you mean, cause it's trouble. The way you move, yeah. The way you whine and you grind and you bubble.
Hello everyone, just got home from tailgate. I'm gonna remove my makeup, just do a little debrief. Kooler babe was out of this world, so I think it was a tough act to follow personally. And yeah, I went to tailgate in 2019 and it was very different in the sense of the layout and the vibe and everything, but nevertheless it was still fun. Voice performed and he was just amazing. I feel like with Voice you really forget how many hits he has, and I really do think he's such an underrated soca artist. He was amazing, and yeah, that performance was 10 out of 10. Other than that, it was pretty fun, and I don't know what's next on my schedule. Tomorrow's Friday. I probably will end up doing absolutely nothing. I'm so tired. It's like 2:30. I got home around the same time last night. I am not used to this party lifestyle again. I used to be in the street like White Line, and now I don't even know a good metaphor. I can't even think of something clever. It's that late at night. It's Friday. I got my underwear. It looks amazing. So just giving you guys a little sneak peek. I'm so excited that my costume looks amazing and it fits, and it's just a weight off of my chest. It's literally 10 o'clock and last minute we're going to wifete. Me and Catherine are gonna go. It's supposed to end at 12, so get a little 2 hours. Didn't pay for the tickets, so can't ball. I'm just gonna have fun and see Bunji and Michelle. I literally can't believe I'm leaving my house right now, but I want to be home by 12:31 latest because I need a good night's sleep before tomorrow. So we're in traffic. I don't think we're actually going to wifete. We've just been in traffic and we're just bored. Like, we got these tickets for free, thank you.
Thanks.
But like,
there's just no parking, and we're not parking on the side of the road because I know that we might come back and we won't have tires.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
who's coming now? They keep coming with the police. I know Marshall is about to pass us, guys.
You just said that before.
Yeah, but maybe that was Bunji. Marshall, help! Anyways, we're literally just doing it for the plot right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I got this.
We're here.
You know what it's said to say? Listen to me. Look at people like
yeah, I did not film any of the get ready process, but happy Carnival Sunday. Basically almost ready. I have a neck piece to put on, like a shoulder piece, and then I'll show you guys. I just have to kind of tidy up my hair a bit. This is from yesterday, so I'm gonna tidy it up, even though we know on the road it'll end up in a bun. But yeah, wet hair.
What time is it?
10:10. Sick.
Don't worry, I already practiced this.
Practice what? I can get
Fucking hell!
Straight off the jumbo jet, straight from the airport street. Straight off the jumbo jet. Yo! So we lash up the people and tell them murder. Somebody help me welcome Naila Black Mother.